Welcome to the tutorial How to Loosen the Jammed Thread of the Tension Bar. To prepare the portable smoke blocker for the next operation, it is fully pushed together after dismounting and the thread is screwed back completely. But if you don't stop turning, the inner tube of the tension rod may tighten. The next time the smoke blocker is installed, the inner tube does not rotate when the outer tube is turned, and the smoke blocker can't be clamped. If the inner tube does not rotate while turning the outer tube, simply turn the inner tube itself briefly, and the portable smoke blocker can be mounted as usual. If the tightened thread is noticed during installation, simply turn the inner tube itself in the direction of tension and install the smoke blocker as usual. In case you don't have a good grip with firefighting gloves, the inner tube can alternatively be released by pressing on the frame and turning the tension rod at the same time.